Salmon crepes with rucola and cottage cheese. Ingredients: for 8 crepes, 3 eggs, 150 grams of flour, 500 grams of milk, butter to taste.
For the filling, 150 grams of smoked salmon, 250 grams of cottage cheese, rucola to taste. Break the eggs into a large bowl, beat them, add the milk and mix them to combine. Sift the flour to add it to the egg mixture. Mix everything until you obtain a smooth butter without lumps.
Cover the bowl with a transparent film and let it rest for 13 minutes in the refrigerator. Remove the butter from the fridge and mix to revive it. Grease a pan with a bit of butter and heat it over medium heat. As soon as it reaches temperature, pour a little of butter to cover the surface of the pan. Spread it evenly by gently shaking the pan. After a minute, check that it is golden on the underside. Flip it and let the other side cook for another minute. Place the crepes on top.
Preparation of the filling. Chop the rucola and cut salmon into little parts. In a bowl, pour cottage cheese, a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix with a spoon and add some rucola. Mix everything. Stuff salmon crepes. Place the crepes on a cutting board. Cover half of one side with the filling, fold over. The non-fired side and then fold again, creating a fan shape.
Enjoy your meal!